Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change location on Instacart. First, open the Instacart app or website. Tap the address at the top of the screen to update it. You can add a new address or edit an existing one under Account Settings, then Addresses. Once updated, the app or website will show stores, delivery options, and batches available in your new area. For shoppers, updating your address ensures promotions, delivery zones, and earnings opportunities match your current location. Remember, keeping your address up to date helps you get the most accurate store selection, delivery times, and available promotions. And that's it. Your Instacart location is now updated and ready for shopping or delivery. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.